Flow would be here to help us to mix all the land, mix all the soil, and the next step will be the step that you asked me. That is, we're gonna flood the water in here, and it depends on the kind of rice that you are using, but usually from about 1 to 2 weeks, and of course the level of the water is different as well. Yeah, and the level of the water is normally from about 20 or less than 20 centimeters.
Centimeters, yeah.
Yeah, is that the same way that you do in your country?
Maybe a bit more.
Yeah, well, it just depends how they do it. They can sow it straight in the ground, and then they put the water on, or they can sometimes they sow with an aeroplane, and then they drain the water so that the seed, the seed goes onto the ground. Once it starts to get root, then they put the water back in, and then away it goes.
And then once it gets to a certain height, and the rice is up a certain height, then they start draining the water out.
Exactly.
When it's
yeah,
ripe,
so
they
that
drain
is
the
what we
water.
do, but it's different. In here we don't use aeroplane.
No.
There are two ways of planting the rice in here. One, you throw the seed. Yeah, you have the bag in here, and you just throw the seed. That is where and when you have a very good condition of everything. I mean everything, weather, soil, people, human labor, everything, or animal, insects, everything. But just in case you have one of those things, you lack of one of those things, you don't have, then you plant them in one small scale first. One small scale, just like a nursery. And
nursery,
then you're gonna replant them in every single line. Every one of them, in every single line of them. In different places. And that is what people in here they do. Normally, if you are in the south of Vietnam, where people can have 3 crops in a year, then you can have a very good condition like that. And if you're working as a farmer, you know that not every time we have a good condition. So in here, aeroplane by hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I have the aeroplane. Aeroplane's a bit easier.
Yeah.
Does anybody want a wipe?
Yeah, but then next thing that we know that we're gonna drain it out. We're gonna drain it out. If they are growing up a little bit, and actually in this season we need them to be dry like this. And in this season, one of the things that we operate the most is insects and grass. From now we don't từ giờ là không dùng phân nữa.
Không.
From this step, we are not using any fertilizer or any chemicals anymore. But before that, we can use. Like when it comes to từ tuần thứ mấy nhỉ?
Cái gì?
Là dùng được phân hóa học từ tuần thứ mấy? Tuần thứ 5, thứ 6 nhỉ?
Còn tầm đó.
From about the 5th and the 6th weeks backward, then you can use them. But now they are strong enough, then we don't use them anymore.
But you do use fertilizer every year.
Every crop. Before and in the middle of the crop. Is that the same like?
Yeah, we planted dry. We planted the tractor, in a combine. It's just if it's raining all the time.
I'll take it back to the
mud. That's when they do the aeroplane. They put it in, and the seed once it starts to take to the mud, then they put the water back in. And
Exactly.
I couldn't recognise it earlier. It was just dumbness.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a group photo here. You know why some places like this is important? Because there are some places out there, some countries out there, they are not making any rice anymore. You know why? We can't sell. We sell less of economy. Very, very few benefit of economy. So in the future,
we don't grow any rice anymore.
See, because the price that you can sell for rice compared to the effort and the time that you pay for is a lot. You get this back and you pay this back and you pay this. So
It's happening at home too.
at home too.
Every time.
Mà đứng dưới đây tôi chụp.